I'm over here at my son's garden, and the sprinkler he's had right over there has been dripping for a while, and by looking around you can see exactly where the water has accumulated by the amount of grass. So this is actually where I want to try this cultivator at. Sorry if there's any wind in the microphone, it's got a little bit windy here today. But so with my garden having all the grass in it, I looked for something. I started out a long time ago buying Ryobi products. I ain't saying it's the best, or no, I'm by no means am I saying it's the best, but it does good for a homeowner like me. So I have to kind of stay within the 2 range of what I got, because I've got all the batteries for it. So with all that grass growing up, I purchased this Ryobi 18V Cordless Cultivator. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Let me get it opened up and find out how hard this thing is to assemble. Handle. That wasn't anything important. It's got half of it's hanging down here. All right, that looks like that's tines for it. Help, guys. We'll just hang on to them just in case we need them. All right, so getting in a little bit closer. Let's get all this saran wrap off of here. Piece of cardboard. There's some little dentures right here, so it's kind of obvious that's where the screws are going to go. Oh, it's a little bit stiff. Okay, there we go. All right. Let me get a Phillips head screwdriver real quick. So we're gonna have to. So we'll tighten it down right there. Okay, it's got another little notch. Apparently I didn't go in far enough. Let me back this back out. Stand up, put a little. Make sure I got my screws backed all the way out. Oh, there we go. That's the key. So when you get it, back the screws all the way out. I thought they was all the way out, but apparently I was wrong. That all the way in there. Let's see where this handle needs to go. It'd probably been easier to put this handle on when I had it. No, I don't guess so. There we go. Thread it on there like that, and we'll set the correct height on it in a minute. So far everything's been pretty easy to assemble. There we go. Bring this thing over here where I can see the tines on it. let's see, we got there's one that says C, B, D, of course that's gonna be A. I don't even know why I'm looking or know what it's gonna be. Not getting the habit of this, but let me look at the instructions and see what order these blades go on. It's got us a pretty little picture there that goes. So if it was turned this way, D, where D is, goes on the outside. C goes on the inside. So we'll go ahead and just do that right now while we got it lined up. So it's got a bar with a post on it, or it's got a, see here how it's got a flat side right here, and the bar right here's got a flat side. So we will make sure the tines is turned to the outside on that. Oh, it's not so much that, it's this right here. This is flat down here on the bottom. Wait, I had it going on backwards. I did. So it only lets you put them on one way. Let's see if I can. All right, there we go. Then it's got a little hole right here for a pin. There we go, that's on. All right, in order on this other side, it's gonna be B to the inside and A to the outside. I like it that it's got a hole where we can, if I wanted to just have one tine on there like that, I could do it if my rows is narrow and I need to get in there that way. So that's great, I like that. Well, all right, we got it assembled. Let's see how it works. All right, so whenever I purchased this was I bought it from Home Depot. It was $189, I believe, and it was 2 only. It didn't come with the batteries because I have my own batteries. I'm not real sure how much it costs the other way, but let me turn the camera down here where you see what it does. All right, but let me show you this first. As you can see, this thing has got it's got some speeds on there. It's like 1, 2, and 3. So we'll be trying them out. This old ground right here is a little bit dry. It's been that way for a long time. Got some gravel and stuff in it. Let's clean it up a little bit. All right, there we go. Yeah, look at that. This ground's hard. This is clay. Slow it down a little bit. Let's do this for hard ground. y'all don't know how hard this ground is. The fact that it's doing that much is amazing. I mean, you can look and see where, God, that's so hard. I can't even put a shovel in it. It's so hard. So just the fact that it's broke up the ground that much to where I can get some grass growing on it, it's great. But what we're wanting to do is take this thing over to the hey, where you ain't gotta be talking to my feet. I'm sorry about that. So this ground is extremely hard. You can't even put a shovel in it. So the fact that it got down as far as it did, y'all, I'm sweating, I'm fat, it's hot. It's about 92 degrees today. But for the fact that it got down as far as what it did, it is pretty impressive. This ain't what I'm getting it for. I'm getting it to go here in my garden and till the grass up some. So I'm gonna carry it out there and see how it does out in the garden. That's not a fair experiment, putting it on clay, because that's not what that's used for. It's used for this right here, which is doing perfect. I'm gonna put down low. Oh yeah. So this is doing exactly what I need to do. Just kind of showed the plane like I made it. A little bit harder right here, but there we go. All right, y'all. As you can tell from sweat, I've been working. I wish I kept it rolling. I've been going for about 5 minutes, so not long. And let me show you the difference it made. So that grass is pretty heavy. It's going to take a couple times to get it all done, but I just wanted to see. I just wanted y'all to see how it would do after just a few minutes of time. I'm using a 4 amp hour battery in this one. That was plenty to do what I did. I don't know how long it'll last because I just have started with it, but I'm very happy with this product. It's doing exactly what I need it to do. So I just tell you that I love you, God loves you, and tell your mom and them I said hi.